Good morning. Welcome back to HP10. I hope everybody is well and rested and that your families are well too. I know it's still kind of a scary time with the little surge that we had. Um, Listen, this week, you should be able to join me on the class meeting link. Um, the week 3 folder is I tried to make it as easy as possible for you to know what we need to do. So, to do on day 1, there's a journal in the digital notebook 2. It's on a life lesson. So do that journal right when you join our class meeting. Okay, so go there immediately and do that. We're going to be reading some examples of personal narratives in class, and then you will use a Jamboard to do a few responses about what you thought about those example personal narratives. So if you haven't caught on, you will be writing a personal narrative um, this well this month. Okay. Um, there is a personal narrative brainstorming assignment. It's a topic only. Okay, so the narrative schedule is here inside the folder. The day 1 slides, I'll go through them with you when I see you. Digital notebook 2 is there, so open that up. It will make you make a copy and do that first assignment. Okay, the life lesson journal. Then you'll have about 20 minutes to read some of these narrative examples. These were written by other students, so you can see what you like and don't like about them, or suggestions that you might have for improving some of them. And then that is your opportunity to share on that Jamboard. What did you like? What didn't you like? How should they be improved? Okay. And then I want you to do a personal narrative brainstorming assignment. This is to get you thinking about what topic you might be able to write about. Day 2, we'll come back. Day 2, it says mind map brainstorm on your possible narrative topics. Okay, so you're going to choose one and do a little mind map. See how that works out. Do you have enough detail? Is it going to be long enough? Will it sustain the reader's interest? So if your first topic doesn't work, do that process again until you decide which topic you want to do. And then I want you to do your narrative topic selection assignment. That's very short. That's just tell me which one you chose and a little bit about what it's about. Your homework then on Friday and over that next week is to complete the short Hawthorne WebQuest assignment. So we are going to be reading some Nathaniel Hawthorne stories, and you need to know a little bit about his background. It's helpful to know that before you read them. And our first story is Dr. Heidegger's Experiment. It's actually the easiest and most approachable of the stories that we'll read. So I think that's a pretty good one to start with. It's kind of weird and kind of entertaining. And that one will be, both of those assignments will be due next week on your day 2. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Everything is inside the folder as you need it. All right, I look forward to seeing you guys. I hope you had a terrific week or a couple of weeks off, and I'll see you soon. Bye.